fill my cup, use my fist, hold my gun, load it up, count my slugs. Yeah, they don't know my blunt, fill my cup, beat my
That's okay, that's we lost. Oh my God, fell in love with the love. Show me love, I give you love. Fell in love, I fell in love. I want it for the love. Show me love, show me love. Fell in love, and that's okay. Some love, me in that bed, give me it. I want that, this is this. Close your eyes, don't shed no tears. Keep it dark, no shit. I'm out the bed, you wanna leave. You fuck me slow, go do your thing. Let's take some beats, let's take some scenes. Play fight, make scene. She got the petty sound, with no teeth. She got the titty sound, she want the teeth. She tat it up, I see you see. I know you see, I know you see us. You know I want that bitch, I wanna eat that heat. I wanna lick it up, I wanna fucking eat. I wanna feed you up, I want them diamonds lit. I want it all on you, I want you all on me. I fell in love, that's okay, that's we lost. Oh my God, fell in love with the love. Show me love, I give you love. Fell in love, I fell in love. I want it for the love. Show me love, show me love. You're my fly, got a fly now, got a squad now, got a drive now. It's a club hopping, jewelry shopping, girl you shining, girl you finding. Yeah, you mine, that's why I feel like diamond. I treat you like my last time, go broke, no joke. I cut the hoes off, I kill the roll call. I put the doors on, she let the show off. Them bitches sweet, them bitches doors off. I put a ring on it, they got a ring too. On my knees for you, I be doing how he ain't do it. I cannot speak for you, but I know they here for it. I speak your language, they don't tell you things do it. Like girl, you dangerous, but I ain't seen you. Not till I see you, I'll treat you like queen do it. Let me sing to you, let me be the main music. I fell in love, that's okay, that's we lost. Oh my God, fell in love.
Y'all, I'm back and this is how the wig came out. So how do y'all like it? I think it's cute. I definitely wanted to try a different hairstyle and it's really cute. Definitely with the outfit that I'm wearing today. I gotta hurry up because I'm going to a little fest. Who would ever known that Amazon would have a visible lace wigs online? Like, I had to try it out and it is invisible. You see nothing but scalp, see nothing but skin. So y'all have to try this wig. As y'all see on camera, y'all don't see no lace, okay? And we love a good waist. We love a good lace on a wig. So I really like this. Like it melted real good. You can't see nothing. The company from Amazon that I got this from is called OCGK store. This is a 24-inch wig and obviously it is an HD lace because y'all can't see my lace. And this wig is 80 density and it's very full. Like when I was plucking this wig, I had to do a lot of plucking, but that's fine because I kind of started to enjoy a fuller wig compared to 150 density wig. And this hair was under $200. So you guys definitely have to cop y'all some. Not cop. Y'all definitely have to go get this wig, but I do have a slight disclaimer about this wig. As wonderful as this wig is and it looks good, throughout the day it starts to tangle, and I don't like that. I don't like any wigs that start to tangle and it's just like, you know, start to look matted. Definitely be aware that this hair might tangle because it tangled on me. But other than that, you guys definitely get this wig. If you get it, y'all already know. Send me pictures and videos on Instagram. Don't be scared. And like always, give this motherfucker a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And also, if you guys aren't subscribed, then what the fuck are you doing? You missing out on some good ass content. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, my babies.
My cup, beat my bitch, hold my gun, load it up, count my slugs. Yeah.